Perhaps the most famous part of chiropractic is the adjustment. So today I'm going to share with you some hands-on adjustment techniques I use with pregnant patients. Hey, this is James from Clinica QO. We're a chiropractic and osteopathy clinic, and we specialise in improving your spinal health, your well-being, and helping you live life with a smile on your face. And on this channel we dive into all things health related, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Before we get started, let's remind ourselves of what we're trying to achieve with the help of the spine model. So what we already know is that if this moves nicely, like a well-oiled machine, your nervous system can do its job and you can better express health. And that's where the chiropractic adjustment comes in. It makes us move nicely and then you can be healthy. Right, so let's get into an adjustment session. Obviously we've got a pregnant patient here, so we have some special considerations. So we have this particular cushion just here, just to allow for bum to fit nicely and comfortably. Right, so Denise, let's have you face down. Good, are you comfortable?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, so we're bending the knees just to see if there's any rotation in the pelvis. There is a little bit. So we're going to start off with some really, really light contacts. I do this with most of my patients just to get them warmed up, let's say. And what these light contacts do, and they might not appear too obvious, but what they're really doing is they're just helping to activate other parts of the spine. More specifically with this area here, this is looking to activate just a little bit this area just down here. Likewise with this area just here, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get a little bit more activation of this area just up here. And the reason we want to get these two areas moving nicely is because both of them, if you imagine that the spinal cord that we have inside of the spine here, it's a little bit like an elastic band. And if this one is not doing its job properly, or this one's not doing its job properly, they have like a bit of a tug of war going on. And if this pulls on the spinal cord, then what it can also do is it can just start to irritate or pinch on those nerves a little bit, causing problems with the spine and not helping us to express health. Okay, good. So we started off really nicely. And now we're going to go just a little bit more profound. So what we're going to use is this instrument here that is called an activator. And basically it just applies a really, really comfortable and small and controlled force. And it makes a bit of a noise, just like that. So that's an adjustment for the sacrum. Now we're just going to have a look at the thoracic spine in this area here and see how things are doing. Right, so we've got an area here that's quite tight. So what we're going to do is just going to give it a gentle push, and sometimes you might get a click or a pop, and that's just air escaping from a joint. So Denise, if you could just take a little breath in and then all the way out. Great, nice and easy. Really good, lovely, and that moved really well. Good, so I'm happy that we've now got the pelvis more balanced out. That's really important because it's the foundation for the rest of the spine here. We've also got this unwound a little bit and this bit here, but we're now going to focus a little bit more on the neck. So what I'm actually going to get Denise to do now is to sit up with your legs over on this side. And we're just going to check the neck, so just look straight ahead. Take a breath in and out. That's good. All right. Now we're going to do a neck adjustment. So let's have you here face up. Good. Comfortable?
Yes.
So from here, what we're going to do in this position, very nice, easy, relaxed, controlled. We do a nice quick movement through there, and that's just to get the neck moving nicely. Yeah, and that moved really well. That's great. Have a seat again. And then what we're rechecking for is the tension in the neck. Let's see if we've changed something. Yeah, and now we've got the muscles nice and equal both sides, moving really nicely. Just move your head to the left and the right. Good. Yeah, good. And back to the center. Right, that's lovely. All right, that's a wrap. That's what I typically do on an adjustment session. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask us. Thanks for checking out the video. And if you liked it, be sure to share with friends and family and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Until next time, Clinica QO, we specialise in improving your spinal health, your well-being, and helping you live life with a smile on your face. So stay healthy, and we'll talk soon.